Naka-record na pa. Ay, naka-record na. Okay, so greetings to all of you and welcome back to my YouTube channel and also welcome back to Left 4 Dead. So before we start, gusto ko nga palang sabihin sa inyo na bakit nga ba ang tahimik ko this whole past month? Well, it's because I'm just busy, okay? I'm just busy that is related to work. And also, I spent some time with my friends, so I'm very thankful and grateful for that. And yun nga din pala ako babawi and yun din ako hingi ng sorry, okay, sa mga hindi ko nabate this past Christmas and New Year. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year for those I didn't greet. To my friends and my relatives, I'm really sorry for that. So let us now proceed without further ado. Now, saan ba tayo huling nagtapos? So, nagtapos tayo sa Blood Harvest, the last chapter of Left 4 Dead 1. Now, we're about to proceed to the first chapter of Left 4 Dead 2. Okay, so that is Dead Center sa hotel. Since magaling naman tayo maglaro, ang ating difficulty ay easy. Joke lang. Normal lang tayo, normal. Everything must be normal, okay? So, random na lang kaya natin, random. GG, let's go. Ang bilis mag-load.
Damn it, man, we just missed him.
Dollars to donuts. That chopper's heading to the mall across town.
I trust you. You look like a man who knows his donuts.
Grabe man. There's no time to make jokes in this kind of situation, ah. Oh, and by the way,
I'm not a violent man, but I ain't stupid neither. Let's grab some weapons.
Yes, by the way, if you all notice that every weapon has changed its look, because nag-add ako ng add-ons. By the way, credits nga pala sa mga naggawa nitong mga add-ons na to and mods. I really do appreciate it and thank you for that. I love each and every design, but I chose them randomly. Yes, randomly. Kaya hindi ko lang mapapansin or manonotice kung ano ang ibang nagbago din eh. Really. You know what I mean. So anyways, let us now proceed in our gameplay. No time to waste. Alright, here's our zombie friends. May armor sila. And that is a hazmat suit. I think mas mabuti ang pistol ngayon. Huwag na muna tayo mag-melee weapon this time. Wala pa tayong malalaking weapon eh. Grabe naman. Pinagtataka ko lamang, how did we even end up in this? Yan o, gaya nito. I do not know where this thing come from or what kind of add-on is this. Really. Ano nga ba siyang sabi ko kanina? Ay, oh, yun. Spater. Is that a monster or a alien? Okay. Disgusting designs, but it's amazing. Ang dami zombie. Grabe ang mga special zombies din. Ang lulupit ng kanilang mga outfits. Ano nga bang sabi ko kanina? How did we end up in this building? Really? Paano kami nagtapos din eh? Katana? Ano nga bang sabi ko kanina na mas mabuting gumamit ng ano? Ng pistol? Let's change that. Gamit tayo ng espada. Grabe naman, ang hirap gamitin. Pistol, okay. Golf? Mas preferred ko ang katana. Malupit ang katana eh. Bihira lang magkaroon ng espada, men. What's that? Spitor. Ang dami special zombie. Ooh! Wow, ang ating hunter ay naging huntress ah. Hehe. Bet hindi nahati ang kanilang suit. Tinataga ko na nga sila eh. Oy, Rachel. Kapangalan mo ng aking best friend na girl. You will meet her soon. If we play together. Okay. Grabe naman ang ano ng mga zombie din eh. They are so freaking aggressive, man. Dang. Oh, bit ang dami pistol. Why is there so many pistol in there? And what's happening? Oh, okay. We're going to chop them off. Come on, come get some. Alright. Let's get out of here. No time to waste. Let's go. Oh, wait, ang daming maliit na zombie. Hey! Okay. Nako, papatayin tayo ng mga zombie din eh. Ayos na tayo din eh. Wait. Heal lang ako.
That'll hold me.
What the heck? Disgusting design. Oh. Yeah, burn. Mandaya, hindi nasusunog yun. That zombie's not burning, yo. Okay. Acha. Waka. Oh, no, ha? Hindi ko alam kung safe pa ba tayo din o hindi. Mukhang wala tayong ano din safe spot. Mukhang dead zone to Danger zone ang building na to. Yeah, let's chop them off one by one. Yeah, ito ginagamit to pagka namatay yung kasama. Little guy. Okay. Hindi man lang sila inuubo. Nausok ng building nasusunog na. Alsa tayo din Baka maya mag-iba na to. Oh! Bit ang daming special zombie. Yeah, it's burning. Really. Burning poop. Burning spit. What's that? Did someone grab that? Napaka-delikado din This is the edge, okay? Why do you have to close that?
Let's try the ledge.
Let's try the... Oh! I saw that. Hey! She saw me. Putik! Dalawa kami lahat. Tulong! Help! Mamamatay kami! Oh! Okay! Okay, I'm down, guys. I'm down. Dang it! What the heck? Oh my goodness. I'm dying here. Well, now you're all screwed. Come here. Meatball. Oh, okay. Yeah, come get some. What if I do this, Yeah, go get it. Burn. Go find that jackpot. Yeah, that's right. Burn. Thank you. Sakit yun. Yung sa daliri. Nabali daliri. What if mag-heal na tayo. We're going to heal ourselves. Alright, we're back. We're back in business. Oh, okay. Hindi, chainsaw tayo. I like chainsaw. Maingay nga lamang. Napaka-bloody niya at ang ingay.
This one's still on. I ain't walking down 30 flights of stairs.
Alright, push the button daw sabi. Ang ingay?
It's some sort of nightmare, goddamn zombie apocalypse and shit. Shit. What the hell are we gonna do?
Hey, it's okay, man. We're gonna be fine. Tell me, what's your name?
Alice. My name's Alice.
Hi, Alice.
Everyone just calls me Coach.
My name's
Ma?
Rochelle. You?
Nick. You did good out there, Rochelle.
Thanks. You too.
What did she do? What did she do back then? Okay, we're all friends now. My friends call me Coach. Alright, weapons. Let's go.
Here they come.
Open fire! Dang! Alright, here. Here, have some candy. Yeah! Come get some! Tasty. Bloody mess. Alright, let's get out of this place.
Might be something we can use.
Yeah, I don't like this kind of shotgun. But I need this. So dark, man. Mausok. So smoky.
Wait,
Alright. Oh, I need that. Dang! Come on, who wants some, huh? I still got plenty of bullets here. Yeah! Run for it. Go! Alright. Doors here. Sorry, magugulatin na ako eh. Help! Ang dami. Hoy, tulong! Lumayo kayo sa akin. Shoo! Si OA. Dios míos. Gonna heal myself. Is it okay to take so many what I don't know if it is allowed to say, but drugs? Anyways, let's go. We're dying in this place. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Weapons. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, we got 134 kills. Okay, so what do we have here? Yeah, massacre. Melee fighter tayo, guys. Anyways, I think I will end the video here and abangan na lamang niyo guys sa susunod kong video about Left 4 Dead 2. So, thank you for watching again.